Hey guys, Alex here with 911R and Avant-Garde. I just wanted to do a quick operation video here on the Impala since that it's ending tomorrow and we had a few questions and comments coming in. First we'll start with the lights. Lights do work. All the lights are fully operational. Even the interior lights, you know, the one in the rear of the center console, the dome lights. All right, taking a look at the inside. I mean, all the windows all around work super well. There's very little resistance. They all go up and down really nice. The door locks work. There's these windows back here. If you want to peek your head in here, the dome light in the center console there works. The two up top also are operational. We did, since the previous auction, tidy up a lot of the wiring underneath the dash. Then from there, I'm going to go ahead and start it up. Fires up really well. RPM gauge does work. We did have a question about the clock. The clock unfortunately does not work. There you go, that shows it works. Radio does work too. Get a quote in seconds. Get a quote in seconds. Then when you turn on the blower there, the aircon, you get some noise and you get a little bit of blowing. It's not at full capacity. I would imagine that system hasn't been revamped. From here, I mean, we've honestly represented it. It's a really nice driving Impala with a 409, you know, all the electrical works. We've tidied it up a little bit. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below or use the contact seller button, and she ends tomorrow, so good luck bidding.